My name is Sease. I'm one of the primary care sports medicine doctors here at the Steadman Hawkins Clinic of the Carolinas. My practice is out in Greer, South Carolina, primarily where I see patients. My focus is on taking care of athletes of all ages and keeping those folks active all through life. I was born right here in Greenville, South Carolina. Grew up some in Spartanburg County, and then spent the majority of my youth in Lexington, South Carolina. I went to college at the University of South Carolina, and as well as medical school there. After medical school, I moved back to the upstate and did my residency in family medicine in Spartanburg, South Carolina. After 3 years of family medicine residency, I went to the University of Pittsburgh, where I did fellowships in primary care sports medicine and faculty development. One of the biggest values of primary care sports medicine doctor plays in an injured athlete is not only having expert knowledge in this particular musculoskeletal problem, but then also that same doctor, or doctors like myself, recognize when to intervene and who would be best to do that. And timing is a lot of times critical, and having somebody that understands both you from a potentially surgical standpoint and a medical standpoint is critical. Early on in my training, I spent a significant amount of time, and I actually spent an entire extra year doing what's called a faculty development fellowship. And this was a type of academic medicine fellowship that allowed me some time and some guidance in how to be critical of how I interact with patients, how I formulate plans, and how to honestly be critical of my own body of work and to make improvements in that area. I've also taken a lot of that same template and applied it to how I interact with a larger group of individuals that I'm sort of responsible for their education, that being the athletic training network that we have in place here in Greenville. If I wasn't a sports medicine physician, there's a good chance I would probably be a teacher at the high school or college level. I enjoy the challenge of bright minds and the challenge of teaching complicated subjects. I'm married. My wife's actually a pediatrician, and we have two awesome kids, school-aged children that I'm enjoying watching them grow up and play their various sports. Greenville, South Carolina is a great place to live and raise a family. There is the social scene here is very family friendly. We have excellent weather. We have a great downtown. We have great spots to ride bikes, including mountain bikes. The bigger mountains are not far away. The ocean's not all that far away for a weekend getaway.